Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to combine multiple PDF files into one, completely free and super simple. Here, I have 4 PDF files that I want to combine. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, go to the I Love PDF website. I've included the link in the description below. Once the website loads, drag and drop all the PDF files that you want to combine. You can also reorder the files by dragging them left or right. When everything looks correct, click Merge PDF at the bottom. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your files. After that, click Download Merged PDF to save your new combined file. Now open your Downloads folder and open the merged PDF to check the result. And that's it! You've successfully combined all your PDF files into one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.